Tayo'y magkasama muli. Salamat sa pagkain ng bumaway may narating na araw. Kahit anis ng aming samahan sa lungkot at kaligayahan. Tunay na kaibigan, asahan maasahan. Salamat sa taglay ng ating samahan. Salamat, tunay kong kaibigan. Salamat, 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 tunay kong
Mahal po yung mga OFWs. Sana nag-enjoy kayo ngayong gabi na to. Para sa inyo po ito.
Absolutely. Pansin ko, enjoy na enjoy ka rin kanina. Kempoy sa audience. Pero Kempoy, syempre, dapat tubusin na natin kasi nandito ka, diba? So mag-video tayo, guys. Magpa-viral to kasi ilang milyon ang follower ni Kempoy, diba? So, galingan nyo para makita kayo sa video, ha?
Yes, I'm gonna make a video po. So, pwede ba pataas yung kamay? And we're gonna take a video together! Let's go!
Make sure before you leave Saudi that video now.
Okay, let's go, taas ang kamay! Let's go! Saudi Arabia! Let's go! One more time.
1, 2.
Let's go! Saudi Arabia! Mas malakas! Let's go! Philippines! Yun! Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. I'm Kempoy Feliciano. Pinalipad po talaga ako dito para na-experience ko ito together with you. So maraming salamat po. Mahal ko kayo and stay safe. Have a good night. Maraming salamat po.
Doon lang yun.
O, diba? Host na naging cameraman pa. O, diba?
Nicole, wait. They want to know, ikaw single, meron asawa? Ikaw single o meron asawa?
Ano, nagmo-move on pa.
Sige. Move on.
Healing stage. Okay, perfect sa kanya yung mga kanta, the songs that we will be playing this evening. That being said, we won't hold it off any longer. Guys, you already heard their musical prowess and how amazingly talented these singers are. But this time, we're going to be having them with the band. Give it up once again for Anthony and Carmel.
Thank you, kabayan.
Just dive right, follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were that strong. what it was. I will give you